মহৎ উদ্যোগে সামিল মোহামেডান স্পোর্টিং। কেরলের ওয়ানারে বন্যা ও ভূমিধসে আক্রান্তদের পাশে দাঁড়াতে এগিয়ে এলো সাদা কালো ব্রিগেড। ওয়ানার ত্রাণ তহবিলে সাহায্য করার জন্য সুপার লিগ কেরালা অল স্টার্সের বিরুদ্ধে একটা চ্যারিটি ম্যাচ খেলবে। শুক্রবার কেরলের মাঞ্জেরির পায়োনিয়ার স্টেডিয়ামে ম্যাচটা অনুষ্ঠিত হবে। এই ম্যাচের লক্ষ্য ওয়ানার ত্রাণ তহবিলে সাহায্য করা। ম্যাচ থেকে সংগৃহীত সমস্ত অর্থ ওয়ানার ত্রাণ তহবিলে দান করা হবে। এই চ্যারিটি ম্যাচে বিদেশি সহ সেরা দল মাঠে নামাবে মোহামেডান। মহৎ উদ্যোগে সামিল হতে পেরে আপ্লুত মোহামেডান সিনিয়র দলের কোচ আন্দ্রে চেরনিসভ। শুনে নিন তিনি কি বলছেন।
Look, we know what happened here in Kerala because this time I was in Russian and I read it newspaper and internet. This is really very bad situation for the people. I know our Russian President Vladimir Putin call it Premier Minister of India Modi and also tell him sorry about that. This is really big sorry. And we came here to play this match. We want to help these people. All money what we can take from this match, we will send for this situation, and we want to help these people.
Around 15 days, the team is been training. So how is the preparation going on?
We started with preparation. Yes, we worked very well in Kolkata. We made practice on the ground. We made practice in the gym. Sometimes we need to change our plan about heavy rain in Kolkata. But okay, this is a situation what we cannot change. I mean the weather. Players worked very well. I am very happy from them. We took many new players for this season. They start understand our philosophy. We spoke with new players about our tactic. We spoke all together about our future, what we want to do in this competition this season. And players start understand what we want. We start to play friendly matches also in Kolkata, and now we need to continue to work like this 15 days because I saw they have good communication each other. They are happy to be together. Need to continue to work like that, and will come in this competition with big confidence.
Tomorrow we're gonna face the best side of the Kerala Premier League. So what do you want to say about that?
I read it about this is new Kerala Super League. I know they took many experienced players, many good Indian players. They want to bring up Kerala football. And about that they invest so much money, and we expect very tough match for us because this league will start in next days, and these players also want to show how they are good, and all people who invest money also want to see how they are good invest this money, which players they took. For us it must be a serious match like before. My philosophy not to change. I say it every time to my players, forget the name the opponent team, play serious match, play what we want to play, what we did on the practice. It must be tomorrow the same. Maybe for us it will be more tough tomorrow because we are 3 days without grounds. First we gave them recovery after good practice in Kolkata. Then we yesterday all day traveling. Today we want to go on the ground, but about heavy rain we stay in hotel. We might practice